close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Praise God. Father, we bless your name for this gathering. We thank you for Tiara Lua, for the grace of 1 year. We thank God for our life and the parents' life. We bless the name of the Lord that as we gather here today, it shall be to your glory in Jesus' name. And as we return, we'll return to your glory in the name of Jesus. We sanctify every of our activities here in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. In Jesus' mighty name, I've prayed. Praise God.
Thank you very much, Mama, for this wonderful prayer right quick. So kids in the house, you want to have some fun? Who want to have some fun today? You. If you want to have some fun, come this way right quick. Come this way, y'all. Come this way right quick. I have a game for you guys. Who else want to have some fun right quick? If you want to have some fun, let me see you over here right quick. Come and stand right here with me.
I want to have some fun.
Want to have some fun? Leave Daddy and Mommy alone for now. Come and have some fun right quick. Let's do this right quick. We about to start with the badass DJ. So you want to have some fun? You got to put your balloon down right quick. You got to put that down, or you want to hold it? Let me know if you want to hold it. Sure, you guys ready? Are you ready? I hope you give it to your mom very well, because somebody is gonna snatch it. We'll give it to your mom to hold it for you, so somebody won't snatch it. It's okay, right? Your balloon's okay where it is. It's safe. Okay. All right, now kids, you want to have some fun? Who's ready to have some fun? Not only, I want everybody else to come forward. I have a game to play. The game's whoever wins this game win $5. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
You say you ready? I like that spirit of yours. Baby girl, you coming out too? Okay, now you're all coming out when I say $5. When I say $5, they're all rushing out right quick. I already know how to get you guys so fast. We want to have some fun, kids, boys and girls. I have a game for you guys right quick. This is what I call this game. Are you ready for this game? All the kids sitting down, are you ready for the game? Once I start this game, if you're already still sitting down, you cannot join this game no more. Once I start this game, you cannot join. Sorry. Once I start, you can't join this game no more. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, you know my name? No. You don't know my name? Who know my name over here? Kids. Where's my name? None of you know me? Oh, you. My name is Uncle Peter. Where's my name? Okay, where's my name? Okay, where's my name? Oh shit, are you ready to have some fun? I can hear you. Are you ready? That's what I'm talking to right now. This is what I do. Who's going to join this game right now? Who's ready to join before I start? Who else is ready to join? Because once I start, you cannot join no more. I'm telling you right now. Say freeze, what you gonna do? No scratching, no sneezing, no coughing. You can do when you freeze. You sure? So let's do this like this. But we gotta dance. We gotta dance. Dance. What I say? We gotta dance. Dance. Balance DJ with the dope flow. Let's do this right quick. Let me see quick some moves down, boys and girls.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. And tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling, ooh.
Take a picture, guys. Look at.
Look what you.
I know it's a chick.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Free. Ha.
All right, you guys gonna take a
Alright, let me see free. When I said freeze, what you gonna do? Oh, well, I don't know that. Let's do it one more time. Let's dance together. You gotta put that guy. You don't play right now. You go sit there right quick. If you're not playing the game before, don't come in. Stay wherever you are. Are you ready now? Let's dance one more time. One more time. Hey, 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 hey. If your eyes blink, you're out. When you're smiling, continue smiling. If you can't stop to smile, you're out. You're blinking. Big boy, you're out. Yeah, you. Yeah, it's you. Yeah, he's out. Did you just move? No, you confess yourself. You out. Go sit down. Go sit down. You out. Go sit down. Don't close your eyes. When your eyes closed, you're out of the game. You just play. Go sit down. You out. Go sit down. You out. Just sit down. One more time. Let's do it one more time. Go out beside somebody. Come this way. Stay right here. Okay, let's do it one more time. DJ, go for it. When I say freeze, what you gonna do?
Freeze.
Yes, go and sit down, big boy. Give me 5. Oh shit! I want you to go sit right there, quick. Go sit over there. Go sit down right quick. I got your back, big boy. What's your name, handsome? What's your name?
Nathan.
Okay, I want you to go sit right quick. Go sit down. You go sit down. Bros, go sit down. You're shaking already. Bring down. If you dare blink, to that schedule better, you out of the game. You blink, sorry, you tried. One more time, DJ, let's do one more song. O'Shea Badass. O'Shea Young Flow. No more freezing, let's dance. No freezing again, let's dance. They are still freezing. When I say freeze, what you gonna do?
Yes.
Ashley, I love you, baby girl.
I'm coming. I'm looking
say
for
hi to mommy right quick. Say, mommy, I love you. How? If you get shake. They're going to help you. You just shake. You did. Thank you. Go sit there. Oh, you shake. You did. You did. You just shake your eyes and fly around. I only got 2 girls left. You shake. She's out. She's the winner right here. I got. Where's my wallet? I think my wallet's in the car. I'll give it to you later on. Sit right here. DJ. So age 1, 2 to 5, go and sit there right here. 1 to 5, 1 to 5, go sit there. For the next game. 1 to 5, go sit there. How old are you? 6. 1 to 5, to sit there. How old are you? How old are you guys? Okay, 1 to 5, go and sit there. How old are you? Kind of smart. I like that. So I want you guys to form a circle right quick. 1 to 5. How old are you? 6. Okay, let's do this because you're too many of you for here today. It's gonna be 2 per cup. Alright, I got you. Hold on, hold on. I want 2 right here. Form a circle. 2 people will stay over there. 2 right here, 2 over here. You can stay right here. Both of you stay right here. Like that. You stay right here. It's gonna be your fault. Just look, go with the flow. Go with the flow. You stay right here. Get ready. If I didn't choose you, go and sit down. If I didn't bring you along to play this game, go and sit down. Go back. You know it. Sit down.
Wait.
Hold on.
I haven't seen.
Hey, slow down, guys. Slow down. Move back from the cup. 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 There's no point to play with you. You will go sit up on the next one. Okay, stay right here. So you guys ready? Do you guys know what I'm about to do right now? No. You don't know? Surely I do. I know you don't know.
They make us count me out.
You ready for this game? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say head, shoulder, knee, and toe. What you gonna do when I say that? You ready? When I say head, shoulder, knee, and toe, you touch your head, your knee, your shoulder, and your toe. But you gotta go head, shoulder, knee, and toe. When I say count, you pick it up. The first person to pick it up is good. Whoever don't pick it up is out of the game. It's 2 each for a cup. So if one of you pick it up, is in, it's still in the game. Whoever don't have the cup is out of the game. Don't snatch it. Listen up. Listen up, 2 brothers. Hey, listen up to me right quick. Watch my face. Listen up. Look at me. Don't push your brother. I know you're the big brother. Don't push your brother. What I do when I say head, shoulder, what you gonna do? Listen up, listen up, listen up, listen up, boys and girls. What's my name? Uncle Peter. What's my name? I can't hear you. What's my name? I can't hear you. What's my name? Are you ready to have some fun now? I can't hear you. Are you ready? So listen up. You're backing up from the cup. Don't get too close to the cup. Back up a little bit. So when I say head, touch your head. When I touch your head, touch your head, go with your both hands. What did I say just now? When I say head, it means you touch your head. Head, shoulder, knee, and toe. That's how you do it, together. If you do not do it, I will send you out of the game. That is you out. If you don't do that, you're out. If you pick the cup without me calling the cup name, you're out of the game. Are we good? Are we ready? Let's do the exercise right quick. Head, shoulder. You're gonna be out the next time when I say that. Concentrate right now. Look at me because I don't want you to cheat each other for this game. Are we ready? Are we ready now, big boys and girls? We ready now? Yeah. Okay, let's do a slow motion exercise first. Let me see how you guys gonna get it or not. Nobody has what's supposed to do with you kids. What's supposed to do with all the teenagers for that. So let's do a slow motion for that. Hey, are you here or are you out there? Okay, let's do this right quick. Are you ready? Yeah. Are we ready now? Yeah. Let's do it together. Head, shoulder, knee, and toe. You gotta go down. When she goes down, you come back up straight. Are we ready for this? Head, one more time. Head, shoulder, knee, and toe. Both hands. Number 1 hand. Both hands. Head, shoulder, knee, and toe. Head, shoulder, knee, and toe. Are we ready? Let's do it together. One more time with a smile on your faces. One more time. Go. Head, shoulder, knee, and toe. You come back up. Don't stay on the ground. That's cheating. You gotta, once you touch your toe, you come back straight up. So you ready now? Yeah. So we're gonna start the game. When I say cop, what you gonna do? Pick the cop. When I say cop, you pick the cop. Whoever pick the cop stays in the game. If you don't pick the cop, you out of the game. It's 2 of you for 1 cop. So if you pick it up, you stay in the game. If he doesn't have the cup, he's out of the game. You're too many of you, that's why I do it 2 in one cup. Are we ready now? So stay close, don't move around. Stay right here, stay this way. The cup stays in the middle of you. Can you guys step back, please? Boys in, step back right quick, step back. No, not you, down. If you're not playing the game, can you step back, please? Step back, you're not on the game. Next game, you come for the next game, not this game, please. Are we ready now? I want you to relax. So let's do this together. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, listen up. Breathe in, and out. Slow it. Breathe in, And breathe out. So you ready now? Yeah. We ready now? Yeah. Okay, stop the game. And shoulder, knee, and toe. Fast it up. Ooh. Stand up, big boy. Don't stay on the ground. When I say your toe, after you touch it, you come back up. If I don't say cup, don't pick the cup up. Remember that? Don't pick it up yet. Let's start one more time. And shoulder, knee, and toe. Back up. And shoulder, knee, and toe. Fast, make it faster. And shoulder, knee, and toe. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, cup. Where's the cup? If you don't have the cup in your hand, go and sit down. If you don't have the cup in your hands, if you don't have the cup in your hands, go and sit down. Put the cup down. Put the cup down. All right, you guys want to talk or you want to sit down? Which one you want to play? Okay, you want to play, right? Okay, so just wait, let's wait. So now we're good, 1-1. So now, the last person to pick the cup is out of the game. Are we cool now? Stay right there. It's yours. Don't be scared. What is it? What's going on? Don't worry about it. I know. I know what I'm doing. Step back right quick. Step back. So now he's able now. Can you step back? Everybody else step back, please. Come stay close to your cup. So let's do one more time. And shoulder, knee, and toe. Fast, make it faster. And shoulder, knee, and toe. And shoulder, and knee, and toe. Come back up, everybody, at the same time. So now we're gonna do it once. Last person to pick the cup is out of the game. We ready? Let's do it. Let me see the smile. Boys and girls, come on, smile. Are you ready? Don't be too anxious about this. I know you're shy, you're scared. It's just a game. No crying when you finish this. We good, we good. Let's do it one more time. And shoulder, knee, and toe. Fast it up. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, cup. The last person right there. Go and sit down. Come this way. Come this way. One more time. Put it on the ground. One more time. On the ground. Ready? And shoulder, knee, and toe. And shoulder, knee. Fast. You're too slow. You're too slow. Together at one time. Ready? Go. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, cup. Go sit down. Let's do this right quick, big boys and girls. Let's do this one more time. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, cup. You out. Go this way. You stay this way. Stay right here. Let's do one more time. Put it down. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder. Stop. Go back up. Move back. Then one more time. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, knee, cup. You out. Let me have it. Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here, big girl. Right there. Put it down. Put the cup down. One more time. Ready? And shoulder, knee, toe. Come back up. Can you step back, please? Baby girl, please. One more time. Ready? Same time. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, knee. You're too slow. Come back up. Same time, guys. Same time. No cheating. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder, knee, toe. And shoulder. Don't touch the cup yet, girl. Come back up. One more time. Slow down. We're done. Almost done. 2 minutes will be done. Don't confuse her. Step back, please, baby girl. One more time. You ready? Ed Shudanito, Ed Shudanito, Ed To, Ed Shudanito, Ed Shudanito. Go. You slow, you slow. Come back up one more time. Let's do it one time. Ed Shudanito, Ed Shudanito, Ed Shudanito. Oh, you out. Sorry. Last game. Come on, come on. The Senator about to call me right now. This is the last one. Senator about to call me right now. So we good. So ready, go. Edge. Slow down, baby girl. Relax. Go, let's go. Edge, shoulder, knee, go. Edge, shoulder. Slow down. You're too slow for this. Back up, don't just slow it down. You gotta be fast now. Let's do it one more time. Edge, shoulder, knee, toe. Edge, shoulder, knee, toe. Edge, shoulder, come. Show me up. Come here, baby girl. Come here. All right, now the celebrant's about to come in right quick. I want everybody, please. It's time for us to eat, but.
Say your mind. Carry back a lot of pillow, I'ma take a photo when they go to let me go them kilo. Kumatingas, she dance in no father. I got a bro, osa pa in the bulala. She do japa, oh my jabota, the nigga pa. I don't like nonsense we are kubota. I don't like nonsense we are kubota. She do japa, oh my jabota, the nigga pa. I don't like nonsense we are kubota. I don't like nonsense we are kubota. Sunga la ja 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 sunga la ja 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 sunga ulu sunga ja sunga la ja 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 sunga ulu sunga ja.
Tell me what you see when you look at me. Sumbala Jaco Machubadi. My problem is not to sabi. But money for the pool party. I got out, ya dabada. So you get white meaning. You know, see you bow, ya bakada. Shopaka, shopaka. Sumbala Jaja, Sumba. Carry your mother for your love, sugar.
Alright, now put kids in the house. All the kids, it's time for you to go get your dinner right quick. So quit the game, quit the fun right now. I want you guys to go help yourself with your dinner right quick. Go get your food. Get some food to eat so we can have more games to play. All the kids, I want you to go get your food right quick and eat your food right now. Get your dinner ready and then you'll be fine. After dinner, then we can have much fun. Go get your dinner right quick. Boys and girls, go get your dinner right quick. Go get your food. Once you get your food, when you finish eating, then we'll have...
time, man.
me, when I look away. All I say, don't do what they give me away. Yes, now. I'm putting in Joey. Give me 5 minutes like him, Joey. Oh, me. Oh, without a bedroom.
Exclusive from SlugOnline.com.
Get your chair. Go get a chair. What's going on?
When everybody they shocky, I be used to the look for Johnny. But if you get it for body, the guy will make you the shocky. Baby, please don't stop it. I wanna see you drop it now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, if anybody want to do anything here today, carry me along, please. Don't slow me down with what you guys are doing. I don't like that. I don't like it. So please, kids, this is no cheer. I don't want to be arranged now because they were doing something with the music, so it distracted me from what I was doing. So this is what I want to do right now. This is what we're going to do. If you're 1 to 8, go and sit down. 8 years old. Your brother gotta go sit down. He gotta go sit. No, you gotta go sit down. Go sit down. This game is different. I want 10, not 10, 11, 12 to stay. 10, 11, 12 to stay. Go and sit down first. I will let you know. I know. I want 10, 11, 12, 13 to stay right here. You see these chairs right here? Put them back. All these chairs right there. Take it back. All these chairs right here. Take them back. All these chairs right. I don't want those chairs. I I want 10, 11, 12, and 13. That's all I want. The rest, go and sit down for the game. How old are you? You go and sit down.
I'll pray for you. I'll pray for you. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I got you. How old are you? Yeah, I'll pray for you. 12 years old. Okay, I'll be back. Sit down. How old are you? Take the chairs. 9. Put the chairs back. Take the chairs back. And with you. 10 years old. Who's 10 here? 10. Come in. You got to leave that popcorn for now. How old are you? Go and sit down. How old are you? Huh? You're 4 years old. Oh, my bad. Go sit over there. If you're 10 years old, sit down. How old are you? 10. Sit down. That's it. We're done. So this is what I want you to do. Put the balloons down. Put your balloons down right quick. What's the game? Whoever wins this game is $5. You ready? $5. See, look, listen up, boys and girls. When you come back to sit down, go and sit down. Please, everybody, stay away from the way. Please, can everybody else sit down, please? This game is intense. Can we all please sit down, please? Sit down, everybody, please. Kids, sit down right quick, please. Kids, look, boys and girls. If you go, you're out. Sit down. Everybody else sit down. I gotta do it right quick. Go on, sit down, boys and girls. Sit down, guys. I call this treasure hunting. What did I call this game? I can't hear you. Say it loud. What did I call this game? One more time. What did I call this game? So are you ready to have some fun? What are your yeses weak? Are you ready to have some fun? Okay, this is what I want you all to do. This is what I want you all to do. Everything you have with you is all treasures. You got treasures with you. Don't get what belongs to you. Whatever I tell you to go get it out there, out here. Any way you want to get it, get it. Kids, sit down. Can you tell them? Put them on the chair right quick. Are you ready? When I say go get something, get what I tell you to get. Don't get something different. You got it? The last person to come back is out of the game. We ready? Are you ready to hunt for a treasure? I can't hear you. Are you ready to hunt for a treasure? Get me a cell phone. Sit down on the chair. The last person to sit, the last person without no chair is out of the game. No, he's out. He's out. Okay, move the chair back. Go get it back. Go get the phone back. Go get the phone back. It's your phone? Okay. If you do that again, you're out of the game.
Give it to me how you want it. Sing for me, don't make it do. Anytime when I open my eyes, all I see is your beauty and your perfect lips. Wanna make me whiskey down.
Listen up, boys and girls. When I say get to something, get it over there. I don't want to see what belongs to you. If you think what belongs to you, to me, you're out of the game. That's the rule. You got it now? Are you ready for the next game? Get me a bag. Please, we can easily fall. I know what I'm saying this. Stay with your mom right now. Go get the bag back right quick. Get the bag back.
Yeah, sit down. All right, the next game is now. You ready for the next game? Are you ready? Sit down, relax, come on, don't run away. I didn't say nothing yet. Next game is... The next thing you gotta do, you ready now? Get me, a watch.
She wanna roll with him and then when I drop, you know it's an anthem.
Go give it back. Don't touch it, that's your watch. Don't touch it. That's it. The next game.
She wanna roll with him and then when I drop, you know it's an anthem.
Go and sit down. If you're not playing, please sit down. Don't get injured because I know the police will wound you. The next game, are you ready now? Are you ready now? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Get me. You ready? Get me. A wedding ring. A wedding ring. A wedding ring. A wedding ring. Get me a wedding ring. If it's not a wedding ring, you're out of the game. Let me see your hands. A wedding ring. The wearers do. Come back with yours. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. That is not a wedding ring. Stand up. Who's supposed to be here next? Go get it. If you go get it, somebody else will get it. Go get a ring. Get a ring and sit down. Hurry up. You gotta get what I said you should get. Go put it back. Give it back. Let me see your hand. Give it back. No, that's not a wedding ring at all. Go, give it back. Move the chairs. The next game, ready now. Let's do this right quick. Please get out of the way. Get out of the way, everybody. Get out of the way, please. Get me. You ready? Get me. You ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Get me a bottle of water. Go put it back. Go put it back. Go put it back. Are you ready now? The next one is. Let's do this. You ready? When you're supposed to sit down, you just watch it. Just get it. Ladies and gentlemen, all the mothers here, I appreciate your doings. Thank you, God bless you for appreciating the kids. Thank you for giving them the week. I'm sorry, I understand it's just a game. God bless you for doing this for them. God bless you all. Go give it back.
Special expression. Keep them.
Sit down.
One second.
Next game. Ready now. Got me. Got me. Ready? Are you ready? Got me a wallet.
One leg. Just one leg. One leg. One leg. Take the phone inside. You know me, everybody's a bit. So when they do this song, the children.
I said wallet. Wallet. Not the handbag.
To the dance floor. Let's do as I do. And
Go sit back. Go sit back. Go get it back. Get it back. Get it back. Go get it back.
move one leg like this. Bounce it. Bounce it. Go, go. Bounce it.
Boys and girls, go and sit down.
Go down. Show that up.
Are you ready now? Are you ready? Okay, let's do this right. What's your name? What's your name? You think you're gonna win? You think you're gonna win? Okay, what's your name? You think you're gonna win? Maybe. You know? Seriously though? Alright, let's do this real quick. Get me! Are you ready? Look over there, don't look at me. Look over there. Get me! Are you ready? Get me! A khaki! Khaki!
Now one leg is everywhere. Everybody's dancing one leg. If you go to the club, if you go to the church, everybody one leg. America one leg.
Hey, we gotta look at right now.
Europe one leg. One leg like this.
Please go sit down. Don't bring mommy's auntie, mommy's friend. Bring mommy's friends. Bring mommy's friends. Anybody that's close to your mom, bring your mommy. Bring your mommy. Bring your mommy. All you have kids, $100. It's $100. $100. Go bring your mom. I'm going to you can tell me when I take already. I like to say that already. I like to say that. You tell me my joke. Best dancer. Okay, best dancer, best dancer. Go get your mommy's friend, go get your mommy's friend. Alright, give her a kiss. Love her. Kids, go and sit down. Your mommy's here already. Go and sit down, go and sit down, go and sit down. Alright, kids, sit wherever you are. Mommy is all over like this. If you don't dance at all, nobody will get the money. Best dancer among the 5 of you now. Nobody else is coming. I'm serious. The money is available. Go and sit down, go and sit down. Leave money here. The money is really available. I'm serious. It's $100. But if you don't dance, if you are dancing slow motion, I will reduce it to $20. But if you need it, I know the best dancer here already. DJ Beres, young Phil, shit! Hey, see me in the dance. Mommy in action. All the mommies in action. Hey, shit! Cheers! Hey, I'll show you, man. Best dancer here over here.
Oh my
Please give our mothers a round of applause. Men are clap now. First of all, let's wish them all the kids who are here tonight. Say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. They say Happy Mother's Day. To all the mothers who are here, Happy Mother's Day to you guys. God bless you for taking care of the kids. God bless you so much. So now, leave mommy. Mommy want to chop money. We'll leave mommy now. Leave mommy will come out. Mommy want to chop money. Leave mommy alone for now. Mommy is coming. Alright now, so we're gonna choose. This is how we choose. If I come close to the person, if the person is the winner, I want you to scream louder, say yay! The loudest is the winner. Are you ready? If you take mommy Christina, if she's the winner, say yay! Now your son be that. Your son scream well. Okay, the loud is it's loud and clear. If you think mommy Faye is the winner, say yay! Now leave this place. For her, now here. You see, those people in our back, they don't make sound at all. Nothing. You just like say Donald Trump, they attack them. Alright, auntie, mommy Kenny. If you think mommy Lewa is the winner, say yay! Shout out it's only who can wait. Who can win? As long said, all of that they shout. But I know say from here. Now for her. From here. Now for the two. Okay, my son, Mommy Guinea, and my young boy. Mommy Joshua. If you think Mommy Joshua is the winner, say yeah! We reach there. From there, reach here. But that's not that's what he does. You are saying no. But that's they say no. No. And this says, wait. You know, they confuse me. I said, if you think she's the winner, you scream. If she's not the winner, you don't say nothing. Just be quiet. You don't say nothing. Okay, if you think, mommy, they are the guy kitting herself. If you think she's the winner, say yeah. And I want you to, I don't get dance, so let me spot you. I don't get dance past these three over here. That's for sure. Okay, let me come back to this place. If you think our money on the phone is the winner, say yeah! Now for this place, they scream. All this one, you go to chop popcorn, they don't scream. If you think mommy Faye is the winner, say yeah! All of them are winner. Baby. No. Hey, she did it. She did it. Bank of America, she will give it her. $100, she will give it her $100. Oh yeah, all the kids, go and give mummies, all the mummies a hug. That's our regular day. Go and give them a hug. They're trying. Give them a hug. Tell them happy Mother's Day. Hey.
Bodies now, best now. Many with you one leg.
Alright kids, we're gonna sing a birthday song for the girl. Is she ready? Alright, let's do a birthday song. All the kids stand up right. Stand up for the champion. Let's do this together. Let's stand up. Every kid, stand up right quick. Let's sing a song. Are we ready? Are we ready? As a count of 1, 2, 3, we're gonna sing a birthday song. The DJ Young Flow, the badass, is gonna play the music. Are we ready? Okay, let's do this. Daddy and mommy, hold the knife together. Hold the knife together, please. Kids, move back, please. Every kid, move back. Move back. Okay, as a count of 1, 2, 3, cut the cake before they sing the song. Are you ready? Look at the camera. Move back, guys. With a smile, bro. Smile now. 1, 2, 3. Not yet for that. Just for the picture. Have you cut the cake? Okay, let's do it now. DJ Flow, ready? Together, we're gonna sing a birthday song all together. As a count of 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, please. Alright, let's take a picture. Are we ready now? You ready? We're done with this. Okay, let's take a picture with the kids. But as you can go. You can go, they go. Oh yeah, let's take a picture with the kids. And we're done, man. I want kids 1 to 5 years old. 1 year old, if you're not tall of that place, let your mom carry you. Your mom got to be with you. Your mom has to be with you. If you get 1 to 5, 1 to 5, go take picture. Boys and girls, 1 to 5. Boys and girls, 1 to 5. Pictures right quick. If you're not tall enough, mommy has to carry you up. 1 to 5, boys and girls, pictures. 1 to 5, please. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Boys and girls, the pictures. Hey, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Don't touch it. Go back. With a smile, let your mom have you with you. 1 to 5. 1 to 5, pictures. 1 to 5, that's what I need. 1 to 5, boys and girls. And let me see your face with your mom. You have to have your mom with you. 1 to 5 years old. 1 to 5, boys and girls. Look over here, baby girl. Hello. Say cheese. That's it. You can go now. That's it, you can go. Well, you can go now, you can go.
Feel the pressure now when you come to my face. Come to my face. See as I spray the girl and now that's intentional. International, unconventional grace.
6 to 10. 6 to 10. Boys and girls, 6 to 10. If your mom is with you, let your mom come with you.
If you don't be correct.
Let's take pictures. 6 to 10. 6 to 10. 6 7, 8, 9, 10. Boys and girls. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come and take pictures right quick. 6 to 10, take pictures. 6 to 10. 1 to 5, come to me. 1 to 5, come to me. Come to Uncle. 1 to 5, come to me. I have something for you. 1 to 5. 1 to 5, come over here. 1 to, if you don't come now, you can't get in no more. 1 to 5, come over here. 1 to 5. 1 to 5, this way. 1 to 5, stay right here. 1 to 5. 1 to 5, come this way. 6 to 10, go take pictures. 1 to 5, this way. 1 to 5. 1 to 5, this way. If you don't come down, don't come and ask me later on. 1 to 5, last one. 1 to 5. That's it. That's it. Just keep them like that.
We sing a chord.
That's it, let's go, let's go. Okay, stay. You don't come now, you can't get no gift no more. I better keep them moving, brother. Hey.
It's time when you make waste time. It's time when you want to ease your mind. Hello, carry back a lot of filo. I'ma take a phone over the ghost. I don't know what they kilo. Kumatingaza. She answer your father. I got that from Osa Papu, Bulala, Nishiluja. Come on, you got that. I don't like nonsense. We are going on. I don't like nonsense. We are going on.
Women. Brothers, pictures, right quick.
I don't like nonsense. We are going on.
Brothers, pictures. All the women, please come and take pictures right quick. Women, I want pictures. All women, pictures. Picture for the women. Can you please come and take pictures right quick? Take picture. Let's go.
Tell me what you see when you look at me. Sumbalaja kumajubadi. My problem is that to sabi you. But only for the poop party.
Man, come on, man, come on, take pictures. All the man, come on, take pictures. I want the man, there is no more woman here. All the man. Wait a minute, I thought, no. I thought you before, man. No, man. We are not talking before, I want man, pictures. Man, let the man take pictures. Okay. I want the man, please, all the men take pictures right quick. Man, come on, man, that's it. Look good. Let me see a smile. Let me see a smile, guys. Let me see a smile, man. Hey, shit.
Check me back at Samoa. You want to bamba? You want to cheat with the big boys? That is the wrong, get the kitty, you the wrong, get the up, we drink with the top cup.
Shit, too much love right now.
Check the city, how it goes.
That shit is right.
Oh, yeah, tell them I hope and you. Alright, let the kitty,
if anybody want to take pictures, this is the time we take pictures. Anybody want to take pictures, this is the time we take pictures right quick.
Baby, follow my command.
Anybody want to take pictures, go take pictures.
Go down on me, you with your coca body. Follow my command like zombie. Go down on me, you with your coca body. Cause if you're milky for front enough for me, hold on for me and you go do me corny. And if you're milky na fighty, I saw me to look gelato and me, baby, smile, baby, gonna. Waka waka when you enter my licha. Baby, gonna. Do you give me sugar? Wala, wala. Macho Mona Lisa, 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 Macho Mona Lisa.
Girl, I want to see you tonight. I will catch a flight to come see you tonight. Hey, girl, I want to see you tonight. I will catch a flight to come see you tonight. Cause this distance is killing me for sure. So give me for more, giving me the top. I want this your love. Say what distance, I do anything for love, anything at all. You feeling this or not? Make I know what's up. I will make flight, and I will fly to you. I should they waste time. I feel they run to you. I go take flight, and I go fly to you. I should they waste time. I feel they run to you. Something like, oh girl, you got me wanting more. I can't get enough of your something like, oh girl, you got me wanting more. Mash it, body, mash it.
Love is not enough, baby. Come to me, my love. Love me or you hate me, know me. No mess with me, my love. And I see 250, come along, titi. Giuseppe's a naughty, in a Maserati. Yeah, baby, easy. Fine, but I need easy. You won't kiss somebody. Holy Father, screaming, Lady Gaga. She can be my favorite. I'll be harder. For this captain, my favorite. Holy Father, my Holy Father. Holy Father, Holy Father, screaming, Lady Gaga. She can be my favorite. I'll be harder. For this captain, my favorite. Holy Father, my Holy Father.
Shut your back on, yeah. Move from side to side, pass up back, do all night. Up them call me all night. Tell them to move and dance all night. Oh, big all night. Shine you, feel alright. Many money coming in, so they alright. Yeah, feel alright. Shine you, smoke all night. Get the money from me, man. Crash the event of the life of the body. Shaped like a pirate, based on the catalog, and I got the girl with the big bum. Whatever there was a turning point. There's no method or diagram. She didn't know where I was coming from. Now look at me from far. They don't know when I'm on past. More money, more respect. You know what they don't expect. Now look at me, I'm on fire. They don't know when I'm on past. More money, more respect. You know what they don't expect.
Look on the one anytime I fall, I go rise up. She said, no be good look or stature. Not this stuff, I want this stuff. Anyhow, I got space, my face, I run from me.
Then I go find her in the jet. My light is forever gonna shine. She saw me do me for my area. Now I'm the hero to the guys. Because I give my swag. My light is forever gonna shine. I love to kill everything like this. Kill everything like this. Kill everything like this. Kill everything like this. Yeah, cherish you. I stand for you. I will not eat for you, but I feel like for you. In the midnight, get up down for you.
pẹ̀lú ràpadà. Mo dẹ̀ ti fọwọ́ wẹ̀wọ́ lágbàlagbà. Mo ní bàbá ti ṣe lórí pé mo máa débẹ̀. Mo ti lọ mọ yín lọ́wọ́ ẹni mi ṣe máa lọ bẹ́. Mo ti fi ìlú mi mọ̀ ṣọ́rọ̀. Mo ti dá wọlé ayé. Mo ti mọ̀yàn. Mo ti dá wọlé ayé. A ní mo ti fèèyàn mi mọ̀ ṣọ́rọ̀. Mo ti dá wọlé ayé. Mo ti dá wọlé ayé.
Girl, I have a question to ask you today. Will you marry me if no I met you today? And she said, you don't even know my father. Oh, the mommy, you don't know my mother. Can you pay my black prices just for me? I can't leave her. Just one the reason why I can't leave her. Every minute is more that I can't give her. I'm loving you. I'm loving you. She got it front, she got it back. She's two package. I can't leave her. Just one the reason why I can't leave her. Every minute is more that I can't give her. I'm loving you. I'm loving you. Kilo share, she love me the one. You're the girl she me love, so tell me why me. I'm a nation, I know I'm in love. I'm a one. Oh yeah, I don't want you like deep in slow. But you my love, you yeah. So I be your my slow. Oh yeah, there's something about you. I know say me know that you. But if I catch you, I just share. We got